So guys, it's a fantastic moment right now. So I'm starting with the logo. You can see in my screen. It is so nice. I'm logo. So it is very easy. You can do it within just 5 minutes. So I think it is very easy, and just use some tricks. By the tricks I'm gonna show you that you can easily follow this one. Please stay with me and just wait and see how it's gonna. So first of all, I'm gonna here just click the rectangle color. Firstly, I needed to delete all the things. So let us start. So first of all, I'm gonna start with the rectangle tool and put it here like that, a little bit, yes, right here. So color, it is doesn't matter, you can change any color, no problem. So if you notice the color, just go the color pick here, then just you click here, any color. I like this one, and I click OK. Yeah, it's a fantastic and very easy way. So we just following the rectangle tool. So now we need the copy for the next. So how I copy? Press V, then back, and press the Alt, keep pressing Alt, and just drag here. You see? Wow, it's almost done. So now what I should do? I do just press R and then double click here. You see 45 angle, that means the 45 degree. So okay, it's done. Now what should I do? Just I and back to copy and paste it. Again I press the B and I keep pressing Alt. You see how it's coming. So just okay, and again I need to press Alt and D. You see how easy, and just follow the command of the key. That will be more better and easy. So now again I need another way. So what should I do? I need to just press O, then enter. You see how it's happening? Oh my god, it's very easy, very easy. Just follow this way, you can do everything. So guys, let us start right here with the pen. That means pen tool. Let us go pen tool, and here target this angle which I'm targeting. Yes, right here. So just press the shift key and then you put it there. Now I'm gonna press B and just copy, pressing Alt and just drag it here. Put it down. Yes. Hooray! Now what should I do? I need just copy this one. This one how is I have done it previous. Yes. I think it is more better easy way. So what should I do now? I need the clear angles. You see, it is not right exact angle, and also this one, that one, and also this one. So what should I do? I need to clear all the objects. So what should I do? Right, I do just select all the materials. So then I should just press the Control and Y. Oh my god, how you clear, you see the clear. So you just clear this with that. So what should I do? I just click here, then I use this right key here. Is exactly, yes. And another one, use like that is more better, yeah. And this excellent, no problem, and there's also fine, no problem. So what should I do? I need back pressing by pressing Control and Y. Oh my god, that's nice. So guys, my friends, please see how it's easy. You can imagine now it's gonna to be a logo, but you see how I created within a few seconds. So guys, right now just select all and use just this tool, say build tool. So click here, and you need what you need, how to cut. Just you need to press Alt and just Alt press, keeping pressing Alt and just like that cut. Oh my god, it's very nice, very nice. You can easily do it again. Yeah, very nice. You see? Oh my god, it's very nice logo. It's very simple, very cute, very nice. Oh my god, that's nice and nice. Yes. Oh my god, you see everything thing exactly. Oh, see, you see? Yes. Now you can see this one. This one. How should I clear the metals this way? Just no need to press now. Right now the order. Just you click and drag. All will clear. You see how clear? How clear? You see how clear? Oh my god! How clear it? You see? Oh my god! Nice, very nice. So what should I do? What should I do? Just I need this one. I need this one. Just down. This down arrow. As I should put this balance. It will be more better and looking very nice. So I need to put it middle side. Middle side. Okay, little bit. Okay, nice, nice guys. So doing it the color, if you think that this color is not exact or you different ones have a different color, so I like this one, but I did change this one for exceptional looking. So what should I do? I need this one or that one. I think okay, that one is good. Okay, nice. So another one is that now if you need something just a logo, but if you need put your name or your company name or your shopping mall or any creative digital like that, just type something, go to the type tool, yes, right here, then you will get it, no problem. So what should I do? I need it just like that. uh, digital digital platform, just platform, just like that, platform. So what should I do? I need to put it down, yes. Now right now I need to use to change the font size, which is more better. Just select which more better. Now is it? No, this one. No, that one. No, which one? This one? No. So very simple. I need to follow the need. Very simple. Very simple. What is simple? No more simple technique. Yeah. This one. This one. That one. I like that one. Okay. So I need just which. I need bigger or more better. Oh, it is too bigger. Too bigger. Too bigger. Just okay. No. I need some little bit. Okay, so put down here. Okay, so that is too bigger. No. Okay, so like that. Is some more big, so small size. Is this? I think it is fantastic. So now just copy and I put down, down, down. Yes, right. So on the back to this one. No, I need. I need. Okay, no need. I need just cut this one. I need just like that. So guys, oh my god, oh my god, yes, how is possible? So this very nice. Just I need back to font size or change the font family. This one or that one? Which one? Yeah, it is good, no problem. So I'm gonna use a big one, small one. No, it's not working. So I need chance. I need to chance. Oh. No, no. This one, that one, this one. Yeah, this one is good. So I need to change. Yes, good. It is very good. So what should I do? I need some little bit with this. Yes, good. So what should I do? I need just some put it the rectangle here, like smaller size it will be more better and attractive. Yes, you see how easy, how simple, you see how simply doing it. Oh my god, you see, very nice. So guys, my dear friends, it is very nice logo. Within just a few minutes, use it and just follow this technique and create new idea with your knowledge, and just you need not to follow it exactly, but just try and practice. You can do more better than me, or you can more better to me, because you are expert, but just I am using my techniques. So thanks guys, and thanks for watching and support me. Thank you very much.